Alright, so hello and welcome to Nerd Patterns. So quickly, we're going to be learning how to draft a pant, a trouser for a child of 1 2 years. Alright, so please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Alright, so that whenever I drop my videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so let's start the class. Thank you.
All right, so for us to draft this trouser, all right, these are the measurements we're going to be using. We're going to be using a waist measurement of 22, the trouser tie, all right, or a lap, okay, of 17, of 16, a lap of 16, trouser length is 18, and the knee 14, okay. The ankle will be using 5. All right, so without wasting time, let us go ahead and draft this trouser. Okay, so watch carefully what I'm going to do. All right, so first we're going to mark the beginning here where all our measurements are going to be starting from. So this mark here shows the beginning line where all our measurements will start from. So we said the length of this trouser, we said the length is 18. Okay, we say the length of this trouser is 18 inches. Okay, it's a child of 1 year old. So for a length of 18, this is 18 right here. Okay, plus 2 inches 7 allowance, that will be 20. All right, so for the knee length, we're going to get the half of this 18. So this will be our knee length. Okay, so that will be 9. So we'll see come somewhere in here, mark the 9, mark the 18, mark the allowance, the hemming allowance. All right, so we're going this way like this, and this. Also we are going to mark by the side where all our horizontal measurements are beginning from. Okay, so all our horizontal measurements will begin from this mark here. All right, so the next thing for us to do now is to get the waist. Okay, so when you are cutting for a trouser, you divide waist measurement by 4. So 22 divided by 4, that will give us 5.5. 5.5. But because it's a child and we're going to be using elastic in the waist, so we're going to add 1 inch seam allowance. Okay, that becomes 6.5. All right, 6.5 here. Okay, so we'll come down by half inch. Okay, and join this back to this. All right, so the next thing now is for us to get the crotch depth. Okay, we'll simply divide our waist by 4 to get the crotch depth. So divide waist by 4, you have 5. All right, that 5.5. We'll add 1 inch. Okay, to get the crotch depth. So our crotch depth now becomes our tie line. Where the crotch depth stop, that place becomes our tie line. And since it's a child, we'll come up by 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch, 1.25 inch to locate the hip line. Okay, for adult, you come up by 2 inches. Okay, so for us to cover our crotch, we'll simply come here. What are we having here? We're having 6.5. So come here, this is 6.5 plus half inch, that becomes 7. Okay, the next thing on this your tie line, we say our tie is what? 16. That is 8. I see this here, that is what? 8. So this is easy right here. Okay, the next thing is for us to join this to this. Okay, then we'll curve it to this place here. All right, the next thing now is for us to fit this trouser. Okay, so we could simply come in here by 1 inch, just 1 inch. Okay, and come in here by just a 1/4 inch. All right, or just less than a half, 1/4 inch, and then we'll join this point to this point here, and then join this point to the tie line here. All right, shouldn't cross it at all, the tie line here. All right, the next thing we're going to do is to get the ankle. Okay, we say the ankle is 5, so this is our 5. We say the knee is what is 14, so this is our 7. All right, so we still join this point here to this point. Okay, then we'll simply join this here to this. Now see this. Now mind you, as the trouser is coming down, is converging. Okay, so we'll come here and we'll mark out like 1/2 inch and play this out. Same thing this side, do what, play it out, so that when you are hemming this trouser you won't have shortage. So this is for a child. Okay, for a child of just 1 year old. Okay, so the next thing now is for us to carefully cut this out. Coming to the back piece now, we'll still place it here. All right, it should be equal at the down part here. All right, and from here to here, we should have allowance of not less than 3 inches. This is 3.5. Okay, same thing here to here, same thing here to here. So this is it right here. Okay, so now what we are going to do first is to come up here by 1.5 inch and then come out here by 2 inches. All right, come up by 1.5, come out by 2 inches. So we will now join this point here to this point. Okay, let's see this. That is for the back piece. Then we are going to trace this. Okay, just trace this point, trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it, trace it down to the end. When we are done, we'll shift this way. Mind you, it should be equal down here at the edge here. It should be the same. Shift it down here, leaving an allowance of 2 inches from up to down. All right, 2 inches, just 2 or 2.25, and only add that quarter because of hemming, weaving rather. At times when you are weaving, the machine trims off your fabric a bit, so we'll add 2.25 inch, 2.25 inch, all the way 2.25 inch. All right, so at this point now we'll come to this, our crotch here. The back crotch curving will not be as deep as the front one. Come out a bit, about, it's normally 1/2 inch for adults. This should still be about 1/2 inch. Okay, Then we'll curve this to come up to here. You see this? All right. Next thing is to go ahead and cut this out. All right. So watch carefully how I'm going to cut this out. Make sure it's okay. All right. So we now have the back piece and the front piece. All right. So it's simply for you to carry this and place on your fabric and produce two front pieces and also produce two back pieces, and you go ahead and stitch your trouser and you are done. All right. So if you enjoy watching this content, please subscribe, like and share this video, and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Knot Patterns. All right.